Welcome back to the channel. In the last episode, we visited Porthmeirion, the Italian-style village designed and built by Sir Clough Williams Ellis.
But he seems to have utilised all of the landscape and just built whatever fits, like that.
In this episode, we leave Beddgelert and drive up to Penny Pass and take in the beautiful scenery on the road up to Llanberis, and then continue on to Caernarfon. And then, after a couple of hours, we take the road up to the bridge to go across the Menai Straits to Anglesey, and we look for the railway station with the longest place name in the United Kingdom.
Yeah, we're still in Snowdonia for a couple of days, and we're going up to Penny Pass and then driving on that beautiful road from there all the way to Caernarfon, aren't we?
Yeah.
Just to give Suzanne a couple of hours of her shopping fix.
Well, I need that. It's been a few days.
Yeah. That water looks amazing, doesn't it? Picnic area.
Yeah, lovely. It was nice having lunch in the van yesterday.
Yeah, it was very nice. Near that white water.
Yeah.
Yeah. My ploughman's lunch.
Yeah. After a fashion.
Yeah, it was okay. Where did I enjoy a ploughman's that wasn't a ploughman's a few weeks ago? I have to go back and get one.
Oh my god. I can't remember.
It was called a Lockman's, remember?
Oh yeah.
The new inn.
Oh no, that's not where I've seen something. Where had I been? Oh god, it's just...
There seems to be a lot of vans around here and cars, and
yeah.
it's obviously a starting point. You know the locks we like on the A5?
Yeah, I know but I seen when I was out with Annette, I think it must have been, I seen this ploughman's and I said, oh, Paul had that, and I can't remember where we were.
Yeah, well that one was called a Lockman's because we were at the locks, weren't we? This is so popular here, isn't it?
It really is. It's beautiful though, isn't it?
Yeah. Right, so I'm looking for Penny Pass and I think it will be a left-hand turn. I accidentally torn the map, didn't I? Right across where I wanted.
Down there, is it?
No. You can actually drive to it. I've stopped at it before. Not physically stopped at the hostel, but in the parking area.
Right.
It's a bit busy, isn't it?
It is.
Look at that. Looks like a porter cabin right up there, look. See it?
Mm-hmm.
Well, you've got a wide open picture now.
Yeah, I know, but I didn't know if you'd start moving fast. And then by the
Fast?
time I get it...
In this queue?
Yeah, but by the time I do all this and get it, it's... the pictures and things gone.
This is stunning, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Is this the road?
Well, we will come to Penny Pass in a little while, and then from then on, the road to virtually Caernarfon is just lovely. And we go past the railway station at the bottom of Snowdon.
Oh yeah.
Which, as we know, is only operating up to 3/4 of the way up, isn't it?
Yeah.
And the visitor centre, toilets, cafe and that at the top are not open until next year. All because of COVID. And not because there's the restrictions in at the moment, it's because while all the staff were furloughed apparently, the track and everything wasn't maintained, was it? That is Snowdon there.
What, this big one?
Tall one, the tallest.
Yeah.
Right, okay, no, that isn't Penny Pass. It's that kind of thing, though. You'll see it fairly soon. Lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
Stunning, look at it.
Yeah, it really is.
Get some pictures for your Instagram and
Well, I think so.
Snowdon Station.
We eventually reach Caernarfon and find somewhere to park for a couple of hours.
So did you know that Caernarfon was a walled town?
No.
It's only really basically the town centre, I believe. Oh, what a lovely day, isn't it?
I think what we'll do today, Paul, for lunch is you can have fish and chips and I'll have sausage and chips.
No, you're not just teasing me, are you?
Because we're at the seaside, what else do you have to do?
Yep, I won't argue with that. Have you made up your mind if you want to go around the castle yet?
Don't know, see when we've done this. Hey?
Yeah.
What's that?
That is... I don't know, what is it?
restaurant now. But I
oh,
wasn't
the
sure
old,
it was.
the old courthouse. So I know what it was.
Courthouse.
Courthouse, yeah. Quite impressive, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. Beautiful castle as well, really, isn't it? Although the screening there doesn't do it any favours, does it?
Not really.
Right, Suzanne, so that was Caernarfon.
Yeah.
What do you think, honest opinion?
It's okay. That last pub we went in for a drink was really nice.
Yeah, lovely. Old Tom, was it, or something?
Oh gosh, I can't remember.
Yeah.
I don't know if I even looked at the name.
The actual town area is suffering like a lot at the moment, isn't it?
Yeah.
A little bit. Anyway, we've done that, so now we're on our way to the bridge and we're going over to Anglesey.
Woohoo.
And we're going to have a look. We're going to have a look for that railway sign for that little village with the ends in Goch, something like that. Can't pronounce all of it, but I've seen it before and I know that the sign...
You should have read up on that and tried to learn it.
Well, away you go then, you've got your phone. I have seen it before, as long as it's still there, because that was about 19 years ago. When again we were playing golf, but on Anglesey. Anyway, that's where we're off to now, so we'll catch you in a while.
Bye.
All my mind intimacy is all I need from you to me. All my mind intimacy is all I need from you to me. All my mind intimacy is all I need from you to me. All my mind intimacy is all I need from you to me. Why can't you see me on my knees for you, baby? I'm falling down, and I need you to catch me. Oh, my mind intimacy is all I need from you to me.
Right, Suzanne, we made it. We're at the railway station of... Are you going to say it or am I?
You can.
We're at the railway station of that ends in Goch. That's about all we know, isn't it? Let's go and take a look.
Go in now, mate. You want to get a better picture?
You got any idea what that means, Suzanne?
Do you think it means the Church of Mary in the hollow of the White Hazel near the fierce whirlpool and the Church of
Tassilia by the Red Cave? I don't know.
We'll ask him here.
Okay.
Well, I did at last get my fish and chips, and Suzanne her sausage and chips, before we headed back to Beddgelert.
Too hot. What is it?
LL55
LL 55
4YE.
4YE.
Yeah.
Suddenly, the world I used to know, I see it differently. You woke me from a dream, now here's reality. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. 'Cause every time you tell me I look good and that I'm doing fine, but nothing ever changes. And now I see, baby, you are hurting me.
Well, that's it for this one. Join us next time when we visit Barmouth Beach and then we park up at Harlech Castle. And why don't you consider subscribing and ring that notification bell so you'll be notified the next time we upload an episode. Anyway, thank you for watching and we'll see you next time. We're Paul and Suzanne, and we'd love you to join us on our days out.